home business and rental property tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Quicken for home business and rental property management.
So to get started, first download Quicken and set up your account. Quicken offers a home and business version that allows you to track both personal and business expenses, making it perfect for home-based businesses. For rental properties, start by entering your property details and expenses. Quicken allows you to track income, maintenance costs, and property taxes for each rental. To manage your business, enter your income sources and business-related expenses, such as supplies, advertising, or travel. Quicken will automatically categorize transactions for easier tracking. The software also generates tax reports to help you during tax season. For rental properties, Quicken offers tools for calculating depreciation and other tax deductions. You can also link your bank account to Quicken for real-time syncing of transaction. And that's how you use Quicken for home business and rental property management.